Welcome to this 4-bedroom house for sale in Brackenhurst, Alberton, Gauteng, South Africa for R2,250,000. It is extremely spacious with ample reception rooms. The house is open plan, airy, sunny and creates a holiday feel. The very large entertainment area opens up onto a big patio which leads to the pool. The rooms are standard size with big windows and ample built-in cupboards. The kitchen has a cozy feel, but needs some TLC. It boasts granite tops, gas hob, a level oven. This house has a large flatlet with 2 bedrooms, lounge, bath and kitchen. For more information on this property or to arrange a viewing, please contact us.